Hello friends, greetings of the day. In the previous lecture, we have discussed one of the agile development process, that is extreme programming or extreme programming practices. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss the testing in extreme programming. The topic that we are going to discuss today are the testing in extreme programming, and we are also going to discuss the difference between exploratory testing and the scripted testing. So let us start with the testing in XP. Before the start of coding, the unit test is created in the extreme programming approaches. Means we are going to unit test the all units of implemented code individually. This unit test must be implemented by using some framework. This framework enables them to be automated. Means all those unit tests are going to be implemented by some kind of frameworks, and because of the usage of that framework is going to enables them to become automated. Means automatic that test will be occurs. All the individual unit tests are organized into a universal testing suite. At the end of our coding part, all those unit tests we are going to organize into a universal testing suite, and in that universal testing suite we are going to test all those unit tests as an one product. Then next is integration and validation testing of the system can occur on daily basis. In last lecture we have discussed the extreme programming, and in that testing part we discussed that integration and validation testing of the system can be on the daily basis. Means on daily basis we are going to perform this integration testing as well as validation testing. In extreme programming, acceptance test is also going to play a very important role. This acceptance test is also known as a customer test. Means we are going to deploy our product to the customer so that he can test that product and specify any kind of function or features that need to be introduced into their project or into the software. So this is testing in extreme programming. Now we are going to discuss the another topic, that is nothing but differentiation between exploratory testing and the scripted testing. Now what is exploratory testing and scripted testing? In exploratory testing, test design and the actual testing is done by the same person. Means a single person or the same person is going to do the test design, means draw the test designs, as well as the testing, actual testing will be done by the same person. In scripted testing what happens? The scripted testing considers two roles. The first role is test designer and second is tester. Means in scripted testing we are going to consider two persons. The first is test designer and second is tester. Then second point is, in exploratory testing it depends upon the skills of employee, which result in the high project cost. Means whenever we are going to do the exploratory testing, it depends on the experience of the employee. If that employee is more experienced, then only we can assign the exploratory testing to that employee. Otherwise we cannot deploy that employee into the for that purpose. The next is there, that is scripted testing. In scripted testing team we can form the different employees, where one of the member is high skilled and other member can be a beginner. Means in scripted testing we are having one test designer and second is tester, so that test designer can be a highly skilled and the tester can be a member or the beginner. Then next is there, that is exploratory testing. Next differentiation is it results in high project cost, but scripted testing, cost of testing can be saved with the script testing. Then next, in exploratory testing, planning is impossible and very difficult. But in case of scripted testing, with scripted testing, high planning is possible. We can plan very well in the scripted testing. Then next point, in exploratory testing or with exploratory testing, very less documentation use. We need to do a very less documentation with the use of exploratory testing. With this testing, the scripted testing, with the scripted testing, testing needs the well documentation, or the well documentation can be created by using the scripted testing. Then next is exploratory testing is flexible, but on the other hand the scripted testing is not flexible. We cannot make changes into the test cases of scripted testing. On the other hand, exploratory testing we can make changes into the testing or the test cases. Okay, so this is the difference between exploratory testing and scripted testing. The exploratory testing is interesting than that of scripted testing. So this is the part or the topic in your syllabus, that is testing with XP or the extreme programming testing. We have discussed both the topic, extreme programming testing as well as the differentiation between exploratory testing and scripted testing. In next lecture we will discuss the another topic. Thank you.